Hi, I'm Dave Powers and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about the different attachments that Shack & First is able to supply for you for different situations. I want to show you how to temporize not only the mini dental implants, but also the TrueLock abutments and also the mono implants. It's very important we see these things to help temporize. I'm getting a lot of guys calling in, a lot of you docs calling in about how to temporize these different types of fixed prostheses, and I want to help you out by showing you right here. The first thing I want to use is how to use the TrueLock abutment. The TrueLock abutment comes in two different sizes. There's the tall, slim, and the short, fat. Usually the short, fat ones are used in the posterior when I have limited interocclusal space, and the tall, slim ones are used in the anterior to give you more clinical crown length. These are both preppable. You can prep these once they're placed. They are snap fit onto the mini dental implant, and the square, the flat area on the face of the TrueLock abutment lines up with the square of the mini dental implant. So you want to make sure you line those up and then snap them into place. Sometimes they can be a little difficult to get in, but once you snap them in, they're on there pretty good, and then we don't want to have to take them off again. So what we do to temporize these is we place a large one-piece shim over the top of the TrueLock abutment after you prep it, or if you leave it the same way it is, and then we pancake composite filling material over the top of the shim and the implant. And you shape the tooth to look like, if it's number 9, to make it look like number 9, and polish it up, check the occlusion, and that's all you need to do. When the patient returns, you can do one of two things. You can either cut the temporary in half and pop it off, just like you would a regular crown, or you can remove it by just getting the spoon excavator up underneath the margin and popping it right off. Comes off very easily. That way the abutment is exposed and you're able to go ahead and place your permanent crown. To temporize on a mini dental implant with the ball and square, what we're able to do is we're able to take one of the healing caps, with the white healing caps, we're able to actually press fit that right down onto the ball and square. And after you do that, you're able to take some composite and actually just pancake it over the top of that healing cap and shape it into a shape of a tooth, light cure it. And then I'll take my fine finishing burrs and I'll basically shape this tooth to go over that healing cap. Adjust your bite, and that's your temporary. When the patient returns, you basically can take a spoon excavator and lift that healing cap right off along with the temporary, and you have your temporary aside and you'll be able to cement your crown right after that. In addition, I'd like to show you how to temporize over the new mono implants. With the mono implant, you have this nice abutment, very similar to the TrueLock abutment, but it's obviously in titanium. What we do with temporizing the monos is we use the same OP shim, the larger shim, we place it over the top of the mono abutment after the implant is placed, and then we take a ball of composite, same as we did with the TrueLock, and actually pancake it over the top, buccolingually, of the shim in the place where the tooth is, and we shape it like a tooth. Then we light cure it, polish it, you'll check the bite, and that's their temporary. And then when the patient returns, you're able to most likely remove it with just a spoon excavator or a pair of hemostats, and the shim will actually come off with it, leaving you the clean abutment to just go ahead and cement your permanent crown. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for joining us on this week's Monday Morning Minute. We'll see you again next time.
Let me talk a little bit now about our courses coming up. We have the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants meeting down in Nashville, Tennessee on September 24th and 25th. Dr. Terry Giorno is going to be one of our keynote speakers. Dr. Shacken, Dr. Gillespie, Dr. Staples. We're going to have a lineup of speakers that is going to be unbelievable. And our Academy meetings, I don't know if anybody's been to them in the past, but if you have, you know how educational and how much fun we have in a 2-day event. It's really a lot of fun, a lot of camaraderie, and a lot of learning occurs. So if you haven't already done it, give Kevin or Nick a call, or you can sign up online at shackandfirst.com. Get signed up for Nashville. It'll be a great event. And we're going to have a beginner's course in Buffalo on Friday and Saturday. It's October 22nd and October 23rd. It'll be a 2-day event. Live surgery will be done by Dr. Shacken. We're going to take a little tour of the lab, our new lab that is. We're almost done with the renovations. And we're also going to have guest speakers from the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants at this course as well. So if you're a beginner, or if you want to come to a beginner's course, please, October 22nd and the 23rd will be an excellent course to attend. And then we're going to finish off our courses in Buffalo this year in November. It's going to be an advanced course. It's going to be Thursday, November 18th, Friday, the 19th. Dr. Matthew Lasorsa is going to be doing a problem-solving course on November 20th. And if you haven't seen Matt do a problem-solving course, you got to get up here and see it because he's full of very, very important information that everybody benefits from. So thank you very much for joining me on this Monday Morning Minute. We hope everyone has an excellent week placing mini dental implants. I know they're getting more popular by the second. We look forward to seeing everyone next week on the Monday Morning Minute.